Alright, good morning. So today, check out na kami. But before we check out, this is our hotel. Ayan, Cambria Hotel. Pakita ko sa inyo yung exterior. Ayan siya. Ayan, ito parking. So madaming parking space dito. Nakalimutan ko yung rate, pero mamaya alamin ko para masabi ko sa inyo yung parking rate. Ayan, so ayan siya. Punta tayo sa lobby. Pasok tayo. Bigyan ko kayo ng quick hotel tour, pero sa may lobby area lang sa baba. Okay, see you. Pala, merong Yossi area. So one Yossi area is ayan, kita nyo ba? Ayan, dito. And then meron din doon sa dulo. Ayan. Hello, Tito Beans. Good morning. Hotel tour. Pasok tayo. Ayan, so merong driveway dyan. Ayan, tapos dito na yung lobby. Pasok tayo dyan. Ayan, tapos dito na yung lobby area, reception. Ayan, meron dyan mga chair, lounge chair. Disney Resort part ito na hotel. So may mga merch dyan ng mga Disney. Ayan. Meron din mga chips dito. Mga food. Ayan. Drinks, chocolates. Ayan yung mga price for your reference. Soda $5, chips $3, yogurt $3. Ayan. Ay, may medicine din pala sila dito for $4. May tweezers, chopsticks, hairspray, shaving cream. Lahat ng mga essential. Let's go here. Ayan, may additional space man here. And then ayan, may pa Disney sila dito. Andun para may mga bar. Sige, check natin later. Labas muna tayo sa may pool area. Ayan, Disneyland. Ayan, so this is the pool area. Ayan. It's over here inside. So there are lounge chairs there. And then these are the pool. Let's see the pool. There. And then merong slide there. Let's lounge chair here where you can stay. Ayan. Water park there na pwede kayong maglaro, mga bata. So family hotel yan. So meron siyang slide. Kasi yung babagsakan mo, ayan o. Ang saya no. Ang slide mo. Ang lamig nga lang. So I don't know, baka heated yung pool. I don't know, not sure. Ayoko i-touch. Baka ma-bang-bang ako dito. Sabi hindi man ako naka-proper swimming attire. Ditong pool na merong projector. So every night, meron parang mga Disney movie, Disney cartoons na pine-play sila for the family. Yung mga batang gusto mag-swimming ng gabi. Ayan. So ayan lang siya. Ayan yung hotel. Cambria. So recommended siya sa family who wants to stay in Anaheim near Disneyland. Ayan. Thank you. Dito is merong mga ice cream. Ayan, and then yan yung mga pwede nyong orderin dito sa bar nila. Ayan, chicken tenders, spicy wings, nachos. And they have free water. And then mga dessert. Ayan. Ayan, so meron silang mga bar na pwede kayong mag-happy hour here. And then punta tayo sa buffet area. Ay, nakita nyo na pala yung buffet area. So, anyway, ayun na yung pinaka-lobby ng hotel. Yan. So, malaki siya. Magandang, kasi pang family nga, so medyo madami talagang minsan tumatambay. Dito like kami, checking out na kami kasi we're going to Hollywood. Be transferring to a different hotel. So, ayan. So, we'll be transferring to a different hotel na near naman sa Universal Studios, which naman I'll also vlog para magkaroon kayo ng idea. And then, ito siya, si Mickey. Ayan. So, meron pa ganyan si Mickey dito. Ayan. Okay. So, this is how it looks again. There you go. Ayan. So, dyan na yung mga elevator. Okay. Okay. So, ayan. Pinapagkasya na naman namin ang luggage namin sa aming Suburban. Hi, Tita Ken. So, sana magkasya ulit. Well, wala naman kami dinagdag. So, for sure, kasya yan. Alright. So, ito ang freeway. Nasa freeway tayo, no? freeway to, dito sa LA. Tapos, ayan, ito ang itsura ng freeway nila. 1 hour from Anaheim to Hollywood. So, ayan. So, ayan siya. Ayan ang itsura ng mga ano dito. Kali-kali. Mga bridge. Mga skyway. Yan. Dito yung mga napapanood natin. Mga naghahabulan. Mga action movie. Ganyan. Ayan po ang aming driver. Na may Mickey Mouse na shades.
Oo nga ito.
Ayan po siya. I-zoom natin. Kita ba? Ayan. May Mickey Mouse na siyang shades.
17 miles.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine.
Okay, so malapit na kami sa Hollywood. Actually, nakita na namin yung Hollywood sign.
7 minutes.
But, medyo mahirap siyang ipakita dito. Let's try. I'll try ha. American Film Institute. Sunset
1.6
Boulevard.
direction.
Oh my gosh, it can zoom a lot pala. It can zoom a lot. I didn't know that this... Ayan, Hollywood
Parang nasa
Boulevard.
Hollywood Boulevard.
Ventura.
Sige, direction.
Ayan na, Hollywood Boulevard may signage. Ayan, araw.
Ayan, Hollywood Boulevard.
9B exit.
Ang galing, nagsusum pala to na malayo. Kala ko ano lang siya, putyo-putyong zoom. Beachwood Drive.
1.3 miles.
Ayan ang mga palm trees.
Take exit 9B, then keep right.
Ito ng mga bahay dun sa
Keep right.
hills. Ang pamayaman.
Right.
Hollywood Boulevard. Wow. Pupunta muna kami sa hotel. Sa Lowe's Hollywood Hotel.
At the next light, turn left.
Next light, turn left.
Bagay na lang.
Parang Baguio to. Ayan na ang Dolby Theater, Hollywood.
Maganda bang location natin kasi walking-walking lang.
Hi everyone. So we are now in our hotel in Hollywood. So this is the Lowe's Hotel. We are now at Lowe's Hollywood Hotel. And let me go ahead and give you a room tour. So where you at now is the entrance door. And then over here, then over here is the toilet. So let me show you. Let's go in. Okay. This is the toilet and bath. Here, merong lababo. And I think may ilaw to. Let's turn it on. Okay, there you go. So, ayan, ang pasalamin. There you go. And we have here the mirror. May tiny lamp. We have a box of tissue. What's this? Oh, nice. They have cotton. And then they have shower caps. Perfect. This is really cute. Okay, hot and cold. Cold and hot. The soap is Julian Farrell face bar. It's a face bar. And then we have someone knocking. Is it you?
That was me.
Okay. Water. And we have here, what's this? Hand and body cream. The Science of Hair from Julian Farrell as well. And we do have, amazing, they have makeup remover wipe. Diba? With vitamin E. So, sobrang thoughtful nila to think of this. Na kailangan ng girls ng, we have some hand towels right over here under the sink. I think this is the hair dryer. Some towels. And then we have here the toilet, the Hollywood frame, and then here is the bathtub and the shower. And then we do have some hand and body wash, which is Energize, conditioner, and a shampoo. So that's it, and a shower curtain. All right, let's go out and check. And we also have here, actually, yung closet nila, pretty, spacious siya, oh. Parang pwede ka nga pumasok, eh. I don't know if there's a light. No light. So, merong safe. Meron tayong safe. And then, dito merong lagayan ng luggage. Tapos, merong robe here inside. Ayan, may robe. And then, plancha. Oh, may payong pa. Nice. Kapag umulan. And then, I think these are extra pillow. Yeah, and then some hanger, and then I think this is the laundry bag. And we do have a full-size mirror here for our OOTD. You see our OOTD. There you go. Alright, so let's go here. We have 2 queen-size bed. Super nice, no? And then here we have a TV and ang water, Fiji, bongga. And then let's check here. What's in here? Oh, okay. May fridge so we can put drinks. And then here, let's see what's inside. Nothing. Nothing. So I guess nothing there as well. But let's check.
Nothing.
Yeah, nothing. And a TV. And then right here, let's just move this luggages away. And my bag away. Okay, so here we have a coffee machine, Keurig, and we have the medium dark roast decaf, and a coffee. And then what's this? Condiments. Here we have an ice bucket, a phone, lamp. This is the table, office table, and then we have some dinner offerings. Look here. So you can like do room service. There you go. Nice. And then we have here a small couch. There you go. And the most amazing part is that we have the view of the Hollywood sign. Come, let me show ya. It's so amazing. Look at our view. This is the view.
You can't see that much, but it is a bit noticeable.
Yeah, so this is the view. Sobrang ganda ng view. Ang bongga. So, i-zoom ko sa inyo yung Hollywood sign na. Ayun. Sige, mag-focus lang kayo dyan sa center ng screen. At ayun na siya. Ang Hollywood sign. Kita nyo na ba? Ang bongga, diba? Pwede ka na mag-picture dito. Ayan ang Hollywood sign. So, ayan. Amazing. So, again, let me show you again the room from this point of view. Wait lang. I-zoom out lang natin ulit. And this is the room. Ayan. This is the room again. We have Milo here holding the camera earlier. Thank you so much, baby. And then that's the room. Okay, so that's it for our room tour. We'll show you later saan pa kami pupunta. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Alright, so this is the exterior of our hotel, Lowe's Hollywood Hotel. And then, so we will have lunch sa Wingstop. So, walking distance lang yung Wingstop from our hotel. So, ngayon, tumawid kami from there hanggang sa Shoe Palace. And then, dito, yan. Ayan, tumawid kami. So, we will go there, straight there, sa Wingstop. Mga 15 minutes walk, ay 10 minutes walk, ganyan. Alright, at 7-Eleven na malapit sa hotel namin. Let's see what's inside. May mga construction going on. Ongoing. Donuts. Mga tinapay nila. Yan ang mga cereal. Mga Oreo. What? Slurpee? Okay, I'll tell that. Oh, we will drink soda yung Wingstop eh. Oh, you want to drink na lang the one? Ano, meron te?
Meron kasi sa side mo ba?
Ay, oh, ako
Kaya
mahirap.
naman tinutukoy ko para sa Korean Air.
Oo.
May ganun ako nakikita.
How many you like? I made
We're here now at Wingstop after like 5 minutes of walking. We're gonna try the chicken wings.
Yeah, we'll just have to move a little this way because that door opens. Okay.
We're here at Wingstop. We ordered some wings, boneless wings. So excited to try. I'm so hungry too. Alright, we got our order. Chicken.
You like? Oh my goodness.
And some fries. Ta-da! Okay, let's try. Can we have the sauce? Try first the fries. Is it good? Is it good? So excited. Good. This is the boneless wings, Korean, spicy Korean. Ah. Anghang. Wingstop. Ang sarap, pero maanghang. Is it good? Mainit lang. Ano ko na try the hand mustard?
Ay, hindi ni Milo.
Hand mustard. Sarap. I love it.
Diba?
Sulit, no? Mga kinakainan natin magkakapresyo lang.
Oh.
May kain lang. Ay, yung parmesan pala. Kaya natin.
Gabi the most American song ever.
Okay lang, unlimited na.
Pabo.
Saka nakapag-dessert na ano.
I love it so good.
Hanapin natin, baka may portrait malapit doon sa Gondo Friends.
Parang saka anong flavor niyan, anak?
Lemon pepper and smoked barbecue.
Smoke barbecue. This is spicy, baby.
It
Which
is.
one? Which one is spicy?
It's not spicy, it's hot.
Oh, it's hot. Okay.
In France says it's hot. It's good though.
Saan tayo masasabi kung pinakamalapit? Ito lang yung yan. Ito.
Tignan mo yung
Pinakahula.
There was once a day that I would pray for you. I'd go and misbehave just so you'd notice too. Sneaking looks up and down from across the room. And damn, what a hell of a view. I feel good, you look great. I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date. You're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight. Don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase. So catch me if I fall.
We're here sa kanilang local market, parang grocery. Ayan, may mga medicine sila dyan. Ayan yung buong place. Ayan. Pumili lang kami ng Claritin and Tylenol. Hello everyone! I'm here with my baby love. And we're walking. We're just done eating at Wingstop and we're going back. So we're going to Walk of Fame. So we will just walk. This is a walkable area which is good. Hindi na kami magdadrive kasi mahirap din yung parking. And we don't need to commute because we can walk.
So we're gonna capture it.
Okay, bye. And if you care to find me, Hollywood City of LA, let's go. It's so nice here. Ano meron ditong Chinese Le Oriental Bistro. Ano, mukhang masarap. Namimiss na namin ang kanin, char. Okay. Look, it's so nice here. Ang ganda ng mga pailaw na. So, ayun siya. Meron doon Hollywood Wax Museum and then Ripley's Believe It or Not. Ayan, we're walking here. Yung mga ganap dito. Meron dong Souvenirs of Hollywood. Ang daming pwede puntahan. So, nakakaloka. Ripley's Believe It or Not. Ito na yung mga ano nila dito, mga street vendors. Dorothy.
Yeah, I'm gonna feed this meter real quick because I don't want no LA.
Ripley's Believe It or Not. Hollywood Wax Museum. Snow White Cafe. There's McDonald's here.
And then there's a
We haven't tried McDonald's yet. This is Marilyn Monroe sign. Take a picture. This is the Hollywood, I think cinema. Looks good. Arnold Schwarzenegger. Batman. Scientology. Ano yan, Day?
Gusto nyo tumingin ng mga souvenir?
Tara, let's go. So, we're here at the souvenir store. So, meron ditong mga
Gusto ko itong mga best.
mga ano, oo.
Yeah.
Ano ba yung Grammy ba yan? Ano ba yan?
Yeah.
Oscar?
For the
Oscar
best son.
Yan. Tapos meron mga cups. Marami pa doon. Ang laki ng place.
Nilinis mo siya. Because drag. Kaya nga eh, pipicture ko.
Me. Mio. Me.
You should see the way this night is unfolding beautifully for us. It's getting late, but I don't mind. Jingle bells chime, jingle bell time, dancing in the frosty air.
Me. Left side, me. Left side. Oh, walk. Walk.
So, that's our hotel. Lowe's Hotel. Bakit mo? Lowe's Hotel, ayan. So, itong mall na to, yung mall na to is connected sa hotel na. So, super, ano siya, doon lang yung walk of fame. And may girl sa likod.
Hi. Doing good. Yeah.
Hello. Ay, ganun. So, we're here to try the Oak Berry Asahi. This one. Got the banana one. This one, oh. Ay, asa may pangalan? Ayan.
This is the
Oak
original.
Berry Asahi. The original tawag dito. Okay. Come on, let's sit. Ay, paano ka upo? The struggle is real. Stand up ka na lang. Ayan, balancing up na lang yung butt mo. So, let's go ahead and try. Kasi, may pahiwa siya, Day. Should I eat it like portion per portion?
Hindi pwede. Masakit.
Ayun o.
Teka ako.
Ayun o, may isang chair dito, Mike. Pwede kayo mag-move.
Hindi masarap.
Bakit?
Hindi masarap. Asang pabango? Asang pabango?
Perfume. Ito is
I don't know, but you have to mix it ba? Ito siya, mga beb. Ay, mga beb. Ito siya, guys. Oakberry Asahi. Feeling healthy kasi kami. Versus sa nag-ano dito, sa Ben & Jerry's dito na Cutie Pie. And Tita Ken. And the boys, that one, the Ben & Jerry guys. And Tito Vince. Can you see yourself? Dad, taste test. The Oakberry Advocate. Let's use it for mommy.
Thank you, anak.
Masarap, peanut butter nga siya. Masarap to.
Ginudge mo daw kasi.
Parang siyang, yung pag kumakain ka ng tinapay na PB&J. Ba? Ganon, na walang tinapay. Na merong banana.
Hindi mo
Ganon
daw
siya.
kasi minutes.
Kaya nga eh. Tinanay ko kasi siya punto per punto. Charot.
Is there water po?
Wala.
We have a lot at home eh.
water? Probably. You can try.
Yeah, we can ask for water. I think. Bring your ice cream na lang so you have a proof that you bought from
Hindi,
them.
mukhang hindi kasi may bottled water na tinda. Ayun,
Ano dad, it's good na? Okay.
Pati nga nito, ano ba yung tali?
This time we mixed it, so I'll give it another chance.
we'll go to the room na? Or hindi pa?
Let's visit Sephora if you want.
We'll go to, Glorieta.
Di may Johnny Rockets dyan. Pwede tayo dinner dyan.
Okay.
Burger naman yun, burger. Burger lang ba yun?
Nagdala ako sa seafood, di ba? Parang may mga ano doon, iba-iba. Seafood? Seafood.
Johnny Rocket sa Eastwood meron. Pero baka iba yung menu kasi anuhan. Diba sa food trip natin napunta tayo sa Eastwood?
Yes, baby.
Johnny Rocket.
Who's my baby?